Hello everyone. First of all, I welcome you for watching this video, and in this video I am going to discuss about some numericals. Okay, that is related to what? That is related to acceleration and Newton's equation of motion. Okay, and come on the question. Here first question is what? A bus travel at a speed of 36 km per hour. Okay, for what? 5 seconds to attain a velocity of 54 km per hour. And what you have to find? You have to find acceleration. Okay, and here what is given? First of all, you have to write what is given. Okay, given क्या है जी? गिवन है आपका इनिशियल वेलोसिटी क्या है जी? 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ओके, देन 36 किलोमीटर पर आवर. फाइनल वेलोसिटी क्या है जी? फाइनल वेलोसिटी है आपका 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर. ओके, 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर एंड द टाइम विल बी 5 सेकेंड. ओके, टाइम इज 5 सेकेंड. And here what we have to find? We have to find acceleration. Okay, and complete solution is what? You know acceleration is what? Acceleration is change in velocity per unit time, है ना? Acceleration is change in velocity per unit time. एक यूनिट टाइम में कितना velocity चेंज होता है? And here what? 36 km per hour and initial velocity and v is 56 km per hour. Then you must have to convert it into second. Okay, standard unit में. तो आपका क्या है जी? u क्या है? 36 किलोमीटर. Then kilo will be what? 10 का power 3 meter. Okay, and hour will be what? 60 into 60 second. Okay, then after cancel it, what you will get? 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6, and 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and what? 10 meter per second. Okay, and final velocity will be what? Final velocity is 54 into 10 to power of 10 will be what? 3, and 60 into 60. Okay, and after cancel it, what you will do? What you have to do? 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6. Okay, and 3 1 is 3, and 3 8 is 24, and 3 6 is 18. Okay, and here what? 15 meter per second. Okay, and here acceleration will be what? Change in velocity per unit time, v minus u upon t. Then v is what? V is 15 minus u is what? U is 10, and the time will be 5 second. Okay, then after cancel it, what you will get? You will get 5 upon 5, and after dividing it 1. Okay, then 1 meter per second square. The SI unit of acceleration will be what? Acceleration is 1 meter per second square. Okay, and this is the complete answer. Okay, come on the next question. Okay, and here what is given? A car accelerates from 6 meter per second to 16 meter per second. Okay, and in 10 seconds. Here what is given? What? 6 meter per second to, it means what? If an object changes its velocity, then here what? Given is initial velocity to final velocity, then it takes certain interval of time, है ना? तो आपका क्या है जी? इनिशियल जो वेलोसिटी है वो क्या है? इनिशियल वेलोसिटी आपका 6 मीटर पर सेकेंड है ना? and final velocity क्या है, sorry, it is represented by v. Final velocity will be what, 16 meter per second. Okay, and the time is what, the time is 10 seconds. Okay, and what we have to calculate, we have to find acceleration, okay, and distance covered by the car in that time. Okay, and you already know what acceleration is, change in velocity per unit time. Okay, then acceleration is what, v minus u upon t, and here what, final velocity in SI standard unit, it here final velocity is in its standard unit. Okay, then here you do not have, there is no any requirement for the conversion of SI unit. Okay, and here final velocity is 16. Okay, and initial velocity is 6, and the time is what, 10. Then what you have to do, 16 minus 6 will be 10, and 10. Then after dividing it, what, 1 meter per second square. Okay, and distance is what, s is equal to ut plus half at t square. You know second equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half at t square, and here initial velocity is u, initial velocity is 6, and the time is 10 plus half. Acceleration is what, you have already find the acceleration. Okay, first acceleration is what, acceleration is 1, and the time square, t square is equal to what, t square is equal to 10 into 10. Okay, and here after cancel it, 60 plus 2 5 is 10, and here 5 into 10 will be what, 50. Okay, then what you get, you will get 110. Okay, it means what, 110 meter. Standard unit of distance is what, meter. Okay, and this is the complete answer. Okay, come on the next question. Okay, and here what is given, a car starts from rest, okay, and moves along the x-axis with constant acceleration of what, 10 meter per second square for 2 seconds. It then continue with constant velocity, and what distance will it cover in 5 seconds since it started from rest. Okay, first of all, if you see the given diagram, okay, here what, firstly, if a car starts from rest, rest means what, its initial velocity is 0, okay, and moves along the x-axis, okay, and with constant acceleration of what, 10 meter per second square for 2 seconds. Suppose that suppose that this is for 2 seconds. Okay, this distance is for 2 seconds. Okay, and it then continue with constant velocity. Okay, suppose it means what, there will be a final velocity, and after that it moves with constant velocity. It means that after attaining that velocity there is no any change. Okay, after 2 minutes the velocity remains constant. Okay, there is no any change in velocity, and what distance will it cover in 5 seconds since it started from rest. Okay, and you have to calculate distance for what, 5 seconds, and here 3 seconds is left. Okay, 3 seconds is left, and if you will see the diagram, then what do you think? First of all, you have to write what is given. Okay, what is given here, what, u is equal to 0, okay, time is 2 seconds, and acceleration is 10 meter per second square. Okay, and after that what you have to write? You have to write that to find what distance for 5 seconds. Okay, and solution will be what? First of all, to find the distance, okay, so you have to find what? Final velocity, and final velocity will be what? V a, you know what? First Newton's first equation of motion is what? First v is equal to u plus at, है ना? Then if you put the value 0 plus a is moving with it's, if the car moves in 2 seconds for constant acceleration, okay, for what? 10 meter per second square, and the time will be for 2. Okay, then here what? 20, and the SI unit is what? The SI unit is meter per second. Okay, is it clear to you? Is it clear? And after that, for distance for 2 सेकेंड, ठीक है, तो आप जो है डिस्टेंस अगर S1 निकालते हो तो S इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर, है ना, यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. ओके, देन u इज व्हाट? u इज 0 प्लस हाफ ए कितना है जी? ये जो है आपका, ये जो है 10 है ना, एंड टाइम क्या है? 2 है, 2 seconds. Then if it will cancel, then what you will get? For 10 meter. Okay, and after that, if it moves with constant velocity, then to find the distance s2, what? Speed into time. Okay, and the remaining time is here the remaining time is for, here we have to find the distance for 3 seconds. Okay, and the speed, after calculating the speed you have to put the value of speed. Okay, and time is what? The time is for 3 seconds. Then what you have to put? After multiplying this, what you will get? You will get 60 meter. Okay, and 60 meter. Okay, S1 and S is equal to ut plus half a t square t square. Okay, sorry, S is equal to ut plus half a t square, है ना, तो t square में क्या है? डबल. देन व्हाट? 20 meter for first distance. Okay, and after writing this you will get the distance for 5 seconds. Okay, then what? 20 plus 60 will be what? 80 meter. Okay, this is the complete answer. Thank you, and thank you guys for watching this video completely, and और हमारे चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें. ओके.